Prank Bule Jawa Part 39543.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Andrea.
My name is Chikimo.
Is that really?
Yes.
How old are you?
Berapa umur? What the fuck?
24.
24. I work
as
R&D.
LND.
I didn't get it. What do you mean?
I design shoes.
Oh, that was designer.
Yes, I'm designer.
Great, that. So, can you explain to me what the meaning of this artwork is? Iki piye maksud iki piye?
Dia.
Iya.
Apa iya?
Saya kontak ya.
Jokono.
Wah, sini
Jangan kaki gue lu gue ngono lho.